AI is no longer just about robots or tech bros in hoodies. It's quietly taking over your money and doing it better than most humans ever could. Today I'm showing you how AI is flipping personal finance upside down in 2025. Let's go. Artificial intelligence sounds like a buzzword, but in finance it means smarter algorithms making decisions faster than you can blink. From robo-advisors to predictive analytics, AI is the brain now behind every budget app and savings goal. Imagine an app that knows your paycheck, rent, and Uber habits, then adjusts your budget in real time. That's AI budgeting. Tools like Clio, YNAB with GPT integrations, and even AI plugins in Google Sheets are doing just that. Saving used to mean discipline. Now it means algorithms. AI tools analyze your past spending and automatically sweep extra cash into your savings without you lifting a finger. Robo-advisors are like financial planners with zero emotions. They use machine learning to adjust your portfolio automatically based on market conditions and your goals. AI isn't just looking back, it's watching you in real time. Apps like Monarch or AI and Mint flag suspicious transactions, remind you about forgotten subscriptions, and optimize spending habits as they happen. AI chatbots aren't clunky anymore. GPT-style financial assistants are now giving personalized advice. Cancel that $45 DoorDash? Transfer to savings? Yes and yes. Your credit score used to be a mystery. AI now shows you why it's dropping and how to fix it. Predictive tools tell you which actions help or hurt you before you even do them. I can schedule, reschedule, and negotiate your bills. No more missed payments or late fees, just one click to automate and forget. But let's not drink the Kool-Aid. AI can mess up. Data leaks, algorithmic bias, and over-automation are real threats. You still need a human brain behind the AI brain. In the next 5 years, expect AI that not only tracks your money, but negotiates your salary, plans your taxes, and even predicts market crashes before they happen. AI is rewriting the rules of money. It's not just about earning more. It's about managing smarter. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what part of your money life do you want AI to fix next?